Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Faye. How you doing? If you're not new, how you doing? Let's go ahead and get to the video. But before we do that, let me take care of the, the business that helps me grow, which is like, comment, subscribe, share, tag, follow me on social media. My name is I am Miss Faye on everything. Let's talk. So this video is actually an update on my experience with Olaplex number 3 and actually trying Olaplex number 5 on my hair, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I previously did a video on my channel about Olaplex number 3. This is a bond repairing substance. Anything that's chemicals, or if you're doing a heat style, it can cause the sulfur bonds in your hair to break down, which can lead to limp hair, broken hair, damaged hair. So Olaplex goes into those bonds and helps to repair them. It's a pre-poo treatment, so you're supposed to use it before you shampoo your hair. Okay, so this is what I did not tell you in the previous video. So when I was thinking about chopping all of my hair off, the way I got my scissors out of my hand was to color my hair. So I did a box dye at home. Well, it did not take to the color. So I waited 2 days, and I got some more box color and I dyed my hair. As soon as I rinsed it out, my hair was breaking off. And that's when I said, you know what, I know this is supposed to help repair the damage of chemical treatments. And since I was the idiot that decided to dye my hair 2 days apart, since I did that, I said I wanted to try this. This instantly stopped the breakage. And with continued use, I used it twice the first week. And then I did it once a week until the bottle was gone. I got a total of 4 treatments out of this bottle. This stops all breakage. My hair is back shiny, flourishing, healthy. So Olaplex number 3, if you're dealing with any damage in your hair, especially if it was brought on by a heat style or using chemicals, I highly recommend using Olaplex number 3. So that brings me back to right now. On my wedding day, I did a heat style on my hair. My hair is also colored now, and now it's also Texlax. There's 3 different things that I've done to my hair that can cause damage. So I am going to go ahead and use Olaplex number 3 again. And then I'm also going to review this, which is Olaplex number 5. It's the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I'm going to review this and see if it's moisturizing and if it adds slip to my curly hair. Now, pricing. Number 3, it is 3.3 fluid ounces, and it is $28 a bottle. This is not something that you need a lot of. You just put a little bit at a time. So this is completely worth the money. This is the conditioner that is the same size. This is $14 for 3 ounces of conditioner. To get the bigger bottle is $28. Now, I mean, I think it goes without saying this is expensive as hell. For this to be $14 for 3 ounces, my hair better look like Pocahontas. I mean, like, have you ever heard to the wolf cry to the blue corn moon type stuff? And if not, I'm taking it back to Sephora. So I'm getting ready to do the number 3 treatment on my hair. And the next time you see me, I will have left this on for 30 minutes. So I completed Olaplex number 3 on my hair. I'm just gonna go right ahead to the conditioner. So this says it is formulated with patented Olaplex bond building chemistry. It restores, it repairs, and hydrates without adding excess weight. It eliminates damage and frees for strong, healthy looking, shiny hair with the Olaplex 3, 4, and 5 system. For this price point, I'm considering this very much so a luxury item, and I want the best of the best out of this. I'm expecting it to work for my hair type. I'm expecting slip, shine. I have high expectations of this because they got this high price point, okay? All right, so let's see. Honey. Ooh, okay. Well, number 1 is a thicker cream. It's very creamy and it's thick. I like thick. I wasn't expecting that. I like thick. So we off to a good start. I almost said something real nasty and real 18 and up, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on. The smell, there is a slight perfume to it, but it's not overbearing. I do like the way it smells. I don't want to prejudge it, so I'm gonna hold that comment to myself for right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I can say it. At first, that first application that you just saw me put on, even though it's thick in the bottle, it felt lightweight on my hair, and I didn't feel like my hair was coated. And maybe it's just something mental with me where I feel like I gotta feel it on my hair. but I didn't feel it. And so I was about to say, wait a minute, ma'am, but I do feel it now. I have thoughts, but I'm gonna hold them to the end. So to keep the video from being too long, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my hair. So at this point, the conditioner is completely applied and the instructions call for it to be on for, I believe, 3 minutes. So I'm not gonna do the whole shower cap and treat it like a deep treatment. I'm gonna follow the instructions and see how my hair behaves. So my hair is rinsed out, and all I can really say is, nah. So I'm not gonna say it's a bad product. It's just not for my hair. So my original concern was because I have a longer length of hair. My hair is pretty much mid-back length, and I thought I was gonna have to use a lot of hair. I used this much. So even though it looked like I used a lot in the video, it was just the thickness of the product. I used this much. So you will get well, at least I would get a lot of uses out of here. I want to make sure I use I language because different products give people different experiences. Now, my initial thoughts when I first started applying it was a thick product, but it wasn't thick from moisturizing products. Like a lot of natural hair products are thick because they have like the butters in it, like you have shea butter and different things like that. This isn't, this ain't that. This is very much so chemically formulated. It's much different from my natural hair conditioners. I'm trying to be nice, y'all. I'm trying. I really do like Olaplex as a brand. I think this is more so for those who are dealing with damage. This may help you in your fight against damage, but I definitely think you will not get a lot of hydration out of this. At least I didn't. My hair don't feel hydrated even when I was rinsing it out. Usually if I have a deep treatment mask like the Main Choice or something like that, and even I've used Garnier conditioners that did not have silicones in it, and I've gotten really good results from using that. I was expecting very moisturized hair. I expected phenomenal slip. I should be able to run my fingers through it and not get it really tangled, or the tangle should dissolve easily when I'm running my hands through it. But even in the water, it was not easy to detangle like it should be after a treatment. And for this price point, I will continue to use number 3. Number 5 gets a no for me. For $14, I was expecting phenomenal results, and I just think it's not for my hair type. Even though I am Tex-Lax, I'm still very, very much so a curly girl, and with curlier hair, you need different type of products because our hair isn't just straight down. It's curly, it's likely, like you have to really work to get that moisture in, and I need heavier, more moisturizing products to get really good results. And this, it's more so for restoring and repair. Like that's not what I was looking for with this product. I wanted something that would balance those repairing measures with moisture. So bottom line, it ain't moisturizing enough for me. So no. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. And child, I'm gonna go turn around and put a real conditioner on. So I mean, in essence, these are both cheaper than this, and I get better results. They pair repairing and moisture really well. This did not. Okay, Add more moisture, y'all. Add more moisture, Olaplex. Y'all bomb, and this is expensive. Y'all can afford some shea butter, some coconut oil, something. But this ain't it. All right. I love y'all. Bye.